to send V1's photos or videos on Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Messenger on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the chat where you want to send video or photo. Then click on the camera icon at the bottom, which will lead you to this page. Now you can take picture or take video. After you have done that, at the bottom you will find 1. Simply click on the 1 button at the bottom left corner of your screen and make sure beside 1 there is view once. After you do that, press on send and it will be sent as view once photo or video. This is how to send view once photos or videos on Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.